1 in 5 adults in the United States experiences a mental health issue. Hundreds of patients and their family members gathered in the National Mall in Washington, D.C. to bring awareness to an issue that affects a large portion of the population. Bianca Perez now with this report.
Mario Lopez has struggled since a very young age with bipolar disorder, which put him on a downward spiral, something that many people who live with mental illnesses face.
I had used substances, a lot during that time too. Heroin was my drug of choice, and I was addicted to heroin, and that really controlled my life. And I ended up in prison, stayed in prison for a couple of years, and all that. It's things that people with mental health conditions often go through.
Tell me what dignity looks like.
Like Mario, 19 million Americans live with mental illnesses and often do not find the help that they need to be able to lead normal lives. Many of the citizens who are able to overcome their illnesses find themselves wanting to help others who are struggling.
For me, the person who made the biggest difference in my recovery was another person who had used heroin like myself. And so that person was able to reach out to me, was able to really connect with me. And so now I work at an agency where I'm able to reach out to people and connect with them on that same level.
What do we want? Dignity! A march was held in Washington, D.C. demanding dignity and raising awareness for people with mental health illness. Citizens who suffer from a mental health issue are 5 times more likely to be unemployed than their non-disabled counterparts.
Occasionally people do face discrimination. It's unconscionable that anyone should be discriminated against. Again, it's coming from this place of not understanding and not knowing and fear. So we need to overcome that.
People with mental health
Due to a negative stigma associated with mental illness, many patients do not seek treatment in order to avoid being associated with an illness. On average, adults in the U.S. who suffer from a serious mental illness die 25 years earlier than other citizens. Bianca Perez, teleSUR, Washington, D.C.
Over 2,000